My esteemed brother Justice Om Prakash, his better half Mr. Shanti Singh, other members of the family of Justice Om Prakash, my esteemed sister and brother judges, Sri Gyan Prakash, Assistant Solicitor General of India, Sri Manish Goyal, Additional Advocate General, Sri Radhakant Ojha, President High Court Bar Association, Sri SPS Rathore, Advocates Association Senior Vice President. We have assembled here to bid farewell to Brother Justice Om Prakash, who is demitting office on attaining the age of superannuation. Born on September 10, 1960 in Mirzapur, Justice Om Prakash completed his primary and secondary education in Mirzapur. He did his pre-university course and graduation from Banaras Hindu University. After completing his LLB from Banaras Hindu University in the year 1982, he started his practice as a lawyer at District Court Mirzapur under the guidance of Sri Surendra Kumar Singh, advocate who had practiced in civil criminal revenue side. Justice Om Prakash, having cleared the UP Higher Judicial Service examination, started the judicial service in the year 1998 as an additional district judge. And he was promoted as district judge in the year 2008. He was elevated as an additional judge of this court on February 3, 2014. He took oath as permanent judge on February 1, 2016. During his tenure as a judge of this court, he remained committed to his judicial work and decided a good number of cases, particularly on the criminal side. His contribution to criminal appeals has been commendable. He decided several division bench criminal appeals and many other important matters. Justice Om Prakash will always be remembered as a good and sober judge who always maintained his cool and had been courteous and polite. I had the occasion to share a number of committees with him, and His inputs were very valuable. He treated every member of the bar, senior or junior alike, with all humbleness. And sitting in court, he always exhibited fairness, respect, and dignity to the people who appeared before him. Justice Om Prakash has rendered all possible assistance which an institution and litigant expects from a judge in discharge of his constitutional obligations. Justice Om Prakash will always be remembered for his positivity and discipline. With Shanti Singh, better half of Justice Om Prakash, has always been a source of strength, inspiration, and success for him. He is a proud father of 4 daughters, namely Srimati Amrita Singh, who is an advocate of this court, Srimati Ankita Singh, Srimati Arpita Singh, and Dr. Arjita Singh. I, on my behalf and on behalf of all my sister and brother judges, wish him good luck and very best for all in the new ventures in his life that his destiny has in store for him. And may the next chapter of his life be more elegant, graceful, and bring all the good things that he deserves. Thank you.
आज हम सभी के लिए भावुक क्षण है यह कि माननीय न्यायमूर्ति ओम प्रकाश जी इस उच्च न्यायालय से सेवानिवृत्त हुए। आप ये कर रहे हैं न्याय के सिद्धांतों पर आधारित हम सभी निर्णयों में संतुलन भी दिखाई देता है। आपके द्वारा दिए गए सभी निर्णय हमेशा याद किए जाएंगे। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति की न्याय कक्ष में उपस्थित हमेशा करना न्याय प्रोजेक्ट होगी। आपका सदन विद्युता को व्यवहार समझ सुधार को प्रभावित करता है। माननीय न्यायमूर्ति की अपने सरल फॉर्म और अनुसार उदावरी व्यक्ति न्याय कक्ष में आप पद के लाभ से दूर अपने व्यक्तित्व से समस्त बात को प्रभावित करते रहेंगे। आपके न्याय पक्ष में अधिवक्ताओं को सम्मान दिया, उससे अधिवक्ता आपके न्यायालय के साथ जाते हैं। आज न्यायमूर्ति मैं स्वयं अपने सभी केंद्र अधिवक्ता सरकारी अधिवक्ता सरकार की ओर से आपकी सुखद सेवा जीवन और आपको उत्तम स्वास्थ्य कामना करता हूँ। Business are not easy. That has already become a habit. We go search to go to solutions. As a school, has already been education in matters and has moved the school in matters. Judgments delivered by the school are based on traditional rules. The judges maintain brevity while delivering judgments that contain dignity. This reflects sharpness in judge, in grasping the issue, and delivering the same within a short time, particularly with respect to legal matters. Justice Om Prakash keeps himself quite reserved, and this shows the depth of his option. Great to be a good judge can be very formed in the persona of the judge. These ingredients are the key observer I may relate as a capacity to do hard work, time management, concentration, speed review, and creativity. His lordship has always been popular with the members of the bar, and everybody reports confidence in his lordship without any sense of apprehension or fear. I will report after at this stage a famous quote of Samuel Clemens, who set a lofty example in the richest request a man can leave behind. Speaking for myself, I share a rich experience when I appeared before his lordship while he was sitting on the general side. Appearing before his lordship had become a daily affair on account of certain matters of the state government he had nominated to his lordship. I learned a lot from his lordship, which helped me build up my own system. My exposure to practice on the criminal side is created only when I started appearing on the state government, and I owe a lot to his lordship to corrected my places where I was going wrong on the aspects of law while putting forth my solutions. I wish my God a healthy and happy retirement, and I end my address with the following closing lines of the last paragraph of Protect People's Opposition. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings, nor lose a common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distant sun, yours is the earth and everything that moves, and with more, you will be a man.
Justice Om Prakash-VII, Mrs. Shanti Singh, better of Honorable Justice Om Prakash-VII, Honorable Judges sitting on the dais, Sri Gyan Prakash-ji, Additional Solicitor General, Assistant Solicitor General, Government of India, Manish Goyal-ji, Advocate General, Uttar Pradesh, my senior member of the bar, brother colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Justice is divine duty. Honorable judges are performing the delegated job of the God, which imposed a lot of responsibility and devotion towards all of you. While performing the aforesaid pious duty today, Honorable Justice Om Prakash is demitting his office of Justice. Therefore, we are here to give bid farewell to Honorable Justice Om Prakash. I personally feel that this occasion may not be treated as a farewell, because in farewell there is a smell of separation, whereas our bindings are based on inseparable relation of unity between bench and bar. Therefore, I would like to call it a shifting of responsibility. An advocate after registration join the bar and do help in dispensing of justice. Thereafter, he is appointed and elevated as a judge of the court with heavy responsibility of providing the justice to the people. After demitting his office, my Lord will start the third inning of advocacy for society and country. My Lord have wide experience, bar and bench, both which will help you in shaping your future plan. With the same, I am on behalf of myself and on behalf of all members of the bar, praise best wishes to you, and also praise to the God to keep you healthy, powerful, and energetic. At last, I would like to say in totality, my Lord is in the words of great poet Rahim, Jo Rahim Uttam Prakriti, Ka Kari Sakat Kushang, Chandan Bis Vyapat Nahi, Lipte Rahat Bhujang. Thank you.
माननीय वरिष्ठ न्यायमूर्ति मनोज मिश्रा साहब, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति ओम प्रकाश जी और हमारे हाईकोर्ट के अन्य सभी न्यायमूर्तिगण, ज्यादा तो नहीं बोल पाऊंगा, लेकिन इतना जरूर कहूंगा ऑनरेबल जस्टिस ओम प्रकाश जी के लिए कि जिन लोगों ने आपके कार्यकाल में जिस पीढ़ी में काम किया है वो आपको याद बहुत करेंगे। वन ऑफ द बेस्ट रिलीफ गिविंग जज के तौर पे, और आपके भविष्य में सुखद और स्वस्थ जीवन की कामना करता हूं। इसी के साथ बात।
Mr. Manish Goyal, Additional Advocate General. Mr. Radhakant Oja, President, High Court Bar Association. Mr. S.P.S. Rathore, President, Senior Vice President, Advocate Association. Learned Senior Advocates and Member of the Bar. Officer of the Registry. Ladies and gentlemen. I am deeply touched and overwhelmed by the kind words that you have all expressed today for me, and think whether I deserve for. Though I convey my gratitude to all of you. On elevation as judge of this Honorable High Court on February 3rd, 2014, until now, I am feeling proud and privileged to have worked in this august institution, which has paramount importance with glorious history of its own and the goal-oriented approach. I have attempted to do the best I can for the people and the institution. It is only the judiciary that can formally stand for constitutional morality. The greatest strength of the judiciary is the faith of the people and justice delivery system. I have been in the system of justice dispensation for more than 38 years. I am deeply grateful for the love and support extended to me by Honorable the Chief Justice, sisters and brothers on the bench. They guided me, they mentored me, they took part in my joy, and they tried to mitigate my pain. They lent a helping hand. Senior lawyers are known to build the legal fraternity and are essential for the effective dispensation of the justice. At the same time, junior lawyers are seekers, but their role is of immense significance for upliftment of the justice delivery system. Judicial officers are, in fact, the flag bearer of the legal profession. The sincerity towards their profession, irrespective of the pressures, sets the benchmark for the future, which enables to repose trust and faith in the judiciary. The duty of a judge is to impart justice fairly and with utmost sincerity and honesty. Judicial officers are one of the strongest pillars of the justice delivery system. They must have the quality of patience, understanding, and courtesy. Judicial officers should discharge their duties with honesty and have to uphold the constitutional values for effective dispensation of justice. Now it is time to give my sincere thanks to all of them who have supported me directly or by their indirect gesture, even on my shortcomings. In the last about more than 8.5 years of my working here, I received unprecedented support from the Honorable Chief Justice and my esteemed colleagues. I am leaving this institution with a wealth of knowledge which will always be treasured to me. I would like to express my gratitude to one and all for assisting me in performing my duties. I would be remiss if I do not mention the unstinted support put in by personal staff and officers and staff of the registry. I would also like to thank those who make it possible for me to be where I am. They include my mother and father, my wife and my daughters, who have been incredibly close and supportive to me. To each of them, I wish to say I am deeply grateful for the various ways they have enriched my life and helped me to navigate it. Among those who are not with us and whose lasting influence in my life I gratefully acknowledge is my mother. During my tenure, if I have hurt anyone, I must apologize for the same. I wish all of you to do the best in their future endeavor. May the blessing of Almighty be showered upon all of us. Thank you very much to all.